Hello viewers, this is Group C2's 10th week update, and on this week we'll learn about convolutional neural network in details, and we learn about activation functions, loss functions, and other related things about CNN. So here's a brief on what we learned this week. So So about loss function, it is actually the difference of true value versus the predicted value what we get, and so a small value of loss function means we have a good outcome. And about activation functions, the main purpose is to convert an input signal of a node in an artificial neural network to an output signal. So in CNN, here is something we called padding, and we actually do it using a filter, a particular filter, and with an input, and we get a particular output. So here we are using a 2 by 2 matrix for a filter, and the input size is 3 by 3 matrix, and we are getting an output of 2 by 2. So how it is working? Actually, we are taking the input x11, 12, 21, and 22, and doing some calculation with the filter, and we are getting h11. Similarly, we are getting 1 2, and we are getting 1 2 h12 from input x12, 13, 22, and 23, and similarly, we are getting 21 and 22, and here is the equations you can see on the screen for calculating the output. So, like this way, we are calculating the things. I mean, the input to a particular and refurnished output, what through which we can further calculate. But often we have to go through some 3D images. Maximum time we have to come up with a 3D images, and actually the images got 3D and a 2D plane. So for that, here we can see that there are 6 by 6 matrix, also 3 by 3 matrix here, and there's something at the end, very end, which we are calling it as a channel for the layers. The particular layers we have here is 1 2 3, and for our filter we have also got a channel is 3. So um, for these types of calculation in 3D, we have to remember that we have to mind that our channel of input and filter size is same. If they are not same, we cannot get the output from that. And there's something we have to discuss while padding is stride. Value of stride is how much we are giving gaps between taking inputs. We are taking inputs fractions. So the stride value is also important, that how much pixel we are actually counting for our final output. Okay, now here is something we are calling pooling. It's a technique to get some value, I mean fast. So here we can see that there is a portion in pink in the input, and we are doing here is max pooling. So from that particular pink area we are getting the max value for max pooling, and in this region 9 is the maximum, so we are getting 9 at the output. In this blue region 6 is the maximum, so we are getting 6. 4 is the maximum in this green, and 8 is the maximum in this yellow, so 4 and 8 is our output. So in CNN, we are actually doing, we are taking the input image and doing some convolution, then max pooling, and then we are actually getting the output. So this is how it's go. So this is the dense layers and the hidden layers. So actually we are doing it several times. The CNN goes several times, maybe for the requirement what we want in our model, in our program. So there could be hidden layers, multiple hidden layers to calculate these things. So yeah, that's what we have been taught. We taught about CNN this week. Thank you.